I think everyone here has a mobile phone like this one. In this video, I will share with you more than 5 methods to make money online, to start an online business with this mobile phone only and with no budget, starting from $0. Stay tuned and follow up. Hi everyone, I'm Hassan from Educate, and before we start, please don't forget, if you like to watch more videos about digital marketing, online business, and making money online, go now, hit and smash the subscribe button and turn on notifications to get every new update I publish on my channel. So let's start directly and stop wasting time. And the first method to make money online with this mobile device is simply Instagram. Instagram. Okay, before I tell you in detail what we can do, I want to mention that Instagram is one of the best and the powerful places not only to start a business, but to market any business also. Now let's stick to the point and let's see how to make money with Instagram. In Instagram, mainly we have 3 methods to make money online, to build an online business with only Instagram. Number 1 is what we call selling shout outs. If you go now to my YouTube channel here, you will see this video. Earn $33 per post on Instagram. Here in this video, I explained in detail how to set up and grow an Instagram account. I shared with you some free tools and techniques and tips and tricks to grow the Instagram account to reach at least a couple of thousands of followers, and how to sell a shout out in detail. So please go and check this video to learn in detail how to sell shout outs. Now, one thing I missed in the video, or I didn't think it was that important, and I got a lot of questions about, is after we grow the Instagram account, like in my case, this is my Instagram account. If you go here, I have like maybe 2,000 followers today on my account with around 7% engagement. So my shout out can cost around $50 per post. But how to sell it? Where to sell it? So simply, after you grow the Instagram account, after you watch this video here, you can go to a website called shoutcard.com and list your account. You see here, you can filter by categories and you will see each account, and you can buy a shout out here. So you can list yourself as an influencer, as an account owner in this website. Also, we have shoutoutexperts.com. Another website is influencer-card.com. All these websites are marketplaces to sell your shout outs. So the idea is that simple. You have to create an Instagram account, grow it to a couple of thousand of followers. The most important thing is to get high engagement on your account. I explained this in detail in this video. Please go and watch it. And then you can sell on these websites. Also, you can sell on Fiverr. If you go to fiverr.com now, you can sell this as a gig. Look at this person. I will give you a shout out on my 800,000 Instagram page. This is another one here. This is on Facebook group. Okay, here I will shout out on my 238k Instagram gaming page, and so on. Also, we have a website called shoutify.io, and you can sign up as an influencer and sell your shout outs. So the idea is somehow simple. You just need to work like 20 or 30 minutes a day only with your mobile phone, totally for free on Instagram. Please go and watch this video to learn in detail how this works. So this number 1 is selling shout outs on Instagram. Method 2 in Instagram is to sell products. You can sell products of your own or sell affiliate products. As I told you, Instagram is a great place to market anything you want, simply because it has 56% more engagement rate than Facebook. So any post I publish today on my Instagram account, it gets at least 600 reach from my 2000. So it's really great. Any post, I will show you this, like this one, this is my video. It reached 665% in the last 24 hours out of 2,000. So imagine if you have like 10,000 followers on Instagram, you can get with one click 1,000 impressions. It's an awesome free place to market anything. So you can sell both your products or affiliate products. Let's see an example. If you go here back to Instagram, there's an account called Healthish. It has around 84,000 followers, and you can see here, click below to shop. This is the link to their shop. So think about it. They have a lot of followers. They are linking to their shop directly, even in their stories. You can see here in the stories, if you click on shop, you will see stories with links. If you click on see more here, you will open also the store to buy this bottle or whatever. So Instagram is also a great place to sell products online without doing anything, just from your mobile phone. This also can be an affiliate product, by the way. So you can pick a product from ClickBank or whatever and promote it on your Instagram profile. The third method to make money with Instagram is flipping accounts. If you go to a website called FameSwap, here you can sell and buy Instagram accounts. And this method somehow is really great, especially for beginners. So what you can do is open a new Instagram account, maybe grow it into 1,000 followers with some engagement, and go here and sell it on FameSwap or on Social Tradia or in InstaSale. All these websites are places where you can sell and buy Instagram accounts. So this for Instagram, you can flip accounts, sell and buy. You can sell products or affiliate products, and you can sell shout outs. I hope the idea is somehow simple. Let's move on to the next method, to the next way on how to make money, how to build a business with your mobile phone. Number 2 is blogging, just writing and monetizing your blog. You can do this with your mobile only. I explained this in detail in this video. You can see it here. Earn $20 per day from Google. I explained step by step how to reach $20 per day writing and monetizing your blog. Please go and watch this video, and also go down here and you'll find this video here. 5 ways to monetize your website. With your mobile only, you can start a WordPress website, a Blogger website, totally for free with a free hosting. You can check also this video here, how to get free hosting if you're a beginner, and start blogging, writing about something you love, whatever you want, and monetizing your blog with ads. Please go watch these videos. I explained step by step how to do this. Method number 3 is providing support with your mobile. How is this? What I mean here is to provide like consultation over mobile, or maybe provide support, maybe technical support, maybe tutoring, like teaching English. We have a lot of websites. As an example, we have websites like Schooly.com, we have StudyPool. You can see earn money for answering homework questions. You can see this online English teaching.com, VIPGit.com. All these websites will help you teach English, as an example, online with your mobile. You can open a session and go with a conversation with someone who is trying to learn English, so you can improve his English with conversation. This is one of the best ways. Now, to be honest with you, I don't do this. I provide consultation and IT support. You know, if you are following me, I have an IT background. I used to be an IT support guy in a company like 6 years ago or 5 years ago. So what I do today, till today, I open a video call with someone who wants an IT support, a video call on WhatsApp as an example, and I tell him the solution. So it's somehow a remote support by mobile only. I do this like twice a month, I think, or maybe 3 times a month, providing IT support for one company till today. He is my friend, this is why I do it for him. Also, I provide consultation, so you can do a Zoom call or maybe record a podcast or whatever for someone and sell it. In this way, it's somehow a consultation online with your mobile. So this is method number 3. I'm trying my best to be somehow fast, to tell you the ideas, the links, the websites, all of them will be in the description below. Just to have the idea, you can go and search about it and start your own business. Whatever you are doing, you have your mobile, you have the ideas, go and work. That's simple. Method number 4 is working as a freelancer. I mentioned that you can work on Instagram with your mobile, you can blog with your mobile, you can consult with your mobile. All these tasks can be a freelancing tasks. So you can go to Fiverr as an example, open Fiverr here, and here on Fiverr you can sell a gig that you can manage an Instagram account or manage social media accounts. And by the way, today we have a lot of applications on mobile allows you to manage social media accounts so easily. I use, in my case, application called Content Studio. I'm not an affiliate or sponsoring it. I just use it, somehow simple and good. You can use Hootsuite or whatever you want. You can manage social media accounts from your mobile. You can also provide blogging. You can provide a writing service on Fiverr from your mobile also. You can provide a consultation gig, as we mentioned before, on Fiverr. So also we have a lot of ideas, freelancing gigs that you can also do only with your mobile phone. Just use your brain, think a little bit, and you'll work only with your mobile. Method number 5, the last one for today, is what we call application testing. So a lot of people are developing applications for mobiles and they want someone to test it before they can publish to ensure it has no bugs, it's working perfectly on different mobile phones and so on. So we have websites like usertesting.com where you can make money online around $10 I think per 20 minutes testing an application. Go to usertesting.com. Now, just to be honest with you, this website doesn't accept anyone at all, anyone like this. You need to have some qualifications, like know how to test applications. You can maybe learn how to do this. Go to Udemy as an example, udemy.com, and search for a course on how to test applications. Let's say app testing, whatever. You can take a course on Udemy on how to test application, mobile app testing or whatever. And then you can go to user testing. You have the qualifications. You can start making money online, earning money with user testing on your mobile phone by only testing applications. So these are 5 methods you can work from home with your mobile with $0 starting from today. The only thing you need is just to start, it's just to take action. As always, I say 90% of people will not take action. This is why they fail. This is why they don't do it. This is why they don't make money online. Or they just test for 5 minutes or maybe 10 days or 5 days and then they fail and they stop. That's simple. If you want to change your life, you have to think differently, change your mindset, and you will succeed. See you later.